안녕하세요. This is KSTYLEyo. Today I'm going to talk about how to say bad, worse, worst. Welcome back to my channel. My name is In-young. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about how to use this grammar. Bad, worse, worst. In the last video, I did talk about how to say good, better, best. If you're interested in checking it out, also click the I button and watch the video as well. So let's start off how to say to be bad as a verb. 나쁘다. 나쁘다. Koreans also say not good, to be the opposite of good. So we could also say 안 좋다. 좋다 is to be good. You add 안, which is negation. 안 좋다. This is not good. So let's talk about how we can use this verb into an adjective. Bad. 나쁜. 나쁜. If you use not good, 안 좋은. Like I mentioned, H underneath is almost silent. 안 좋은. If you say worse, we say more bad. 더 나쁜. 더 나쁜. And more not good. 더 안 좋은. 더 안 좋은. Worst. 가장 나쁜. Most bad. 가장 나쁜. If you say 가장 안 좋은, most not good. 가장 안 좋은. So now let's talk about how to use these words into examples. Sometimes you go into stores and you get bad service. In that case, you can say, this service was bad. 이 서비스는 나빴어요. In the past tense. this service. Service is service. 는 subject particle 나빴어요. To be bad in the past tense. If you're to use not good, you can say 안 좋았어요. In the past tense. 이 서비스는 나빴어요. 이 서비스는 안 좋았어요. This service was bad. The second example, the fashion style is bad. 그 패션 스타일이 나빠요. The passion is fashion. We don't have F sound in alphabet, so we use P, passion. It's almost like the same sound as passion. Style is style. E, subject particle, 나빠요, be bad. If you were to say not good, 안 좋아요. 그 패션 스타일이 나빠요. The fashion style is bad. This book is worse than that book. 이 책은 저 책보다 더 나빠요. this 책은 book with subject particle 저 that 책보다 책 book 보다 than 더 나빠요. More to be bad. 이 책은 저 책보다 더 나빠요. This book is worse than that book. I'm going to make a video about how to use comparative sentences in the future, so stay tuned. This person is worse. 이 사람은 this person with subject particle 더 more 나빠요. Be bad. I didn't mention in this phrase who I'm comparing this person to, but you can just say this person is worse. So now let's talk about how to use worst in phrases. For example, this winter is worst. 이 겨울이 가장 나빠요. this 겨울이 winter with subject particle 가장 most 나빠요. Be bad. 이 겨울이 가장 나빠요. This winter is worse. This trip was the worst. 이 여행이 여행 is trip. 이 subject particle 가장 나빴어요. 가장 most 나빴어요 is be bad in past tense. 이 여행이 가장 나빴어요. This trip was the worst. So let's recap about what we studied today. How to say be bad as a verb is 나쁘다. If you say bad as an adjective, 나쁜. Worse, 더 나쁜. We say more bad. 더 나쁜. Worst, 가장 나쁜. We say most bad. If you like this video today, share this video with your friends and families. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, always leave a comment down below. If you want more this type of videos, make sure to let me know by smash the like button. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.